Hello everyone, and welcome back to AdMay Tech Solution.
Today, I am going to show you a lifesaver method to unlock your Windows PC without losing a single file using a powerful tool called Spotmau BootSuite. Let's get you back in. First things first, you'll need access to another computer, maybe a friend's or a family member's. On that working PC, your mission is to download the Spotmau BootSuite ISO file. You can find this on various software source websites or through an official download link if you have one. Just search for Spotmau BootSuite ISO and you should find it pretty easily. Once that file is downloaded, we're ready for the next step, creating our magic key. Now, we need to turn that ISO file into a bootable USB drive. This will be our universal key to unlock the computer. Grab a USB flash drive. It doesn't need to be huge, and plug it into the working computer. We'll use a free and popular tool called Rufus to get this done. If you don't have it, a quick search for Rufus will lead you to its official download page. Once you have Rufus open, the interface is super simple. First, under Device, select your USB drive. Make sure you pick the right one, as this process will erase everything on it. Next, click the Select button and navigate to where you saved the Spotmau BootSuite ISO file. Choose it. The rest of the settings should be fine by default. Now, just click Start. Rufus will give you a warning that all data on the USB will be destroyed. Click OK to proceed. In just a couple of minutes, Rufus will work its magic, and your password recovery USB will be ready to go. Alright, you've got your bootable USB. Now, let's head over to the locked computer. Plug the USB drive into one of its ports. We need to tell the computer to boot from this USB instead of its internal hard drive. To do this, restart the PC. As it's starting up, you need to repeatedly press the boot menu key. This key varies by manufacturer, but it's usually F12, F9, ESC, F2, or Dell. You might see a message on the screen telling you which key to press. Once you press the right key, a boot menu will appear. It's a simple list of devices. Use your arrow keys to navigate down to your USB drive. It might be listed by its brand name or just as USB device, and press Enter. The computer will now boot from your USB, and the Spotmau BootSuite interface will automatically launch. You're in. When Spotmau loads, you'll see a clean menu with several utility options. We're here for one thing: password recovery. Look for an option called Windows Password Key or something similar like Password and Key Finder. The name might vary slightly depending on your Spotmau version. Click on it. The tool will immediately start scanning your computer's Windows installation. After a few moments, it will display a list of all the user accounts on that PC. This is the final step. From the list of accounts, find and select the one you're locked out of. You'll see a couple of options. You can either reset password or remove password. Either option works perfectly. Clicking Remove Password is often the quickest. Just select the account, click the button, and like magic, Spotmau will instantly clear the password. It takes literally a few seconds. No complex commands, no data loss, just pure and simple access. Now that the password is gone, it's time to restart your computer and log back into Windows. First, remove the USB drive from the computer. Then, simply restart the PC. This time, let it boot normally. When you get to the Windows login screen, you'll notice it no longer asks for a password for your account. You can just click to log in, and you'll be right back at your desktop with all your files and programs exactly as you left them. Once you're in, I strongly recommend going to your account settings in the control panel and setting a new password you lines remember. And that's it! You've successfully bypassed a forgotten Windows password. It's a powerful technique to have in your back pocket. If this tutorial helped you out of a tight spot, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with anyone who might need it, and subscribe to AdMay Tech Solutions for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.